Rewarded play withdrawal problems are usually caused by account verification issues, reward eligibility checks, or problems completing the payout process. By the end, you'll know what to check when rewarded play denies a withdrawal and the steps to take before contacting support. Start by checking your rewarded play account information. Withdrawal requests can fail when account details are incomplete, outdated, or do not match the information required by the app. Open rewarded play and review your profile details before trying the withdrawal again. Next, check whether your account has completed any required verification steps. Reward apps often require account information to be confirmed before processing rewards. Look for any verification messages, notifications, or account alerts inside the app. You should also check that you are requesting a withdrawal through an available reward option. Different reward methods can have different requirements, and an option may not work if your account does not meet the conditions. Review the withdrawal section carefully, and follow the instructions shown in the app. If the withdrawal was denied because of a technical issue, restart the app and try again. Close rewarded play completely, reopen it, and check whether the withdrawal status has changed. You should also update the rewarded play app to the latest version. Using an older version can sometimes cause features to work incorrectly. If the problem continues, avoid submitting repeated withdrawal requests without checking the reason for the denial. Repeated attempts may not fix the issue if your account still has an unresolved problem. Instead, contact rewarded play support through the available help option. When contacting support, include your account information, the withdrawal method you selected, and the message or error shown in the app. Providing these details helps support understand why the withdrawal was denied. Also, check your email for any messages related to your rewarded play account or payout request. The main fixes are verifying your account details, checking withdrawal requirements, updating the app, and contacting support when the issue remains unresolved. Open rewarded play and review the withdrawal message first, because the app may already show the reason your payout was denied. Subscribe for more reward app fixes, troubleshooting guides, and earning app tutorials. And like the video if this helped you fix rewarded play withdrawal problems.